Birds. Birds can fly because birds have two wings. Birds have two wings. This is a parrot. Parrot is green. Parrot likes to eat green chilies and guava. This is a hen. Hen lays eggs. Hen lives in a coop and hen clucks. Cluck, 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 cluck. This is a pigeon. Pigeon is very intelligent bird. Pigeon remembers all its ways. Children, pigeon eats grains and we can see many pigeons on our window. This is a crow. Crow is black in color. Crow caws. Caw, caw. This is a peacock. Peacock is India's national bird. Out of all the birds, peacock is the most beautiful bird. Peacock dances when it rains. This is a sparrow. Sparrow is a small little bird. Sparrow eats grains and sparrow chirps. Chee chee, chee chee.